Hi, my name is Pawan Kalyan. I'm studying BTech third year Triple B section. Today we are discussing about some topic in Python programming. My topic name is operators groups. There are six types of operators groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators. We are discussing the first one, Python arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. There are six types of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, floor division. These are the Python arithmetic operators. With example, for arithmetic operators, we will take simple example of the addition. We will add two digits, 4 plus 1. Plus is the arithmetic operator. Equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 9. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Print x plus y. Similarly, you can use the other arithmetic operators like multiplication, division, subtraction, etc. We will discuss in another second type, Python assignment operators. Python assignment operators used to assign value to variable equal to, plus or equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, divided by equal to. There are so many types are there. With example, Python assignment operator is simple to assign the value. For example, number 1 equal to 4, number 2 equal to 4. This is a program. Print double bracket, double quotations, line 1 minus value of number 1, double dots, double quotation, comma, number 1, double quotations, and in the brackets. Print double quotation, double brackets open, double quotations, line 2 minus value of number 2, double dots, double quotations, comma, number 2, close the brackets with the double brackets. Third one is Python comparison operators. Python comparison operators are used to comparison operators pair two values, equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 2. These are the operators names examples we will mentioning. For example, for comparison operators, we will compare the value of x to the value of y and print the result in true or false. Here in example, our value of x is equal to 4, which is similar than y equal to 5. So when we print the value as x greater than y, it actually compares the value of x to y, and since is not correct if written false. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Print double brackets open, quotation, x greater than y is x greater than double equal to quotations. And the fourth operators, Python logical operators. Python logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Operators and or not are the conditional logical operators. Descriptions: and is equal to returns true. Its both statements are true. Or returns true if one of the statement is true. Not reverse the result, returns false in the result is true. Example, x less than 5 and x less than 10. And or example, x less than 5 or x less than 4. Not example, not x bracket x less than 5 and x less than 10 bracket close. Example, here an example we get true or false based on the value a and b. Example taken, a is equal to 2, b is equal to false. This is the program for the a and b. And the fourth one is Python identity operators. Python identity operators are used to compare the objects not if they are equal but if there are actually the same objects with the same memory location. Operators description examples we are mentioning the table. Operators is not. Is description is returns true if the both variables are the same object. X is y is not. Returns true if both variables are not the same object. X is not y. Example of the fourth operator, x is equal to 20, y equal to 20. If bracket x is y, print same identity. This is x is not y is a different identity we will mentioning. Declare the value of a variable x and y. Use the operators is in code to check if the value of x and x is same as y. Next we use the operators is not in code if the value of x is not same as y. Run the code, the output of the result is expected. And fifth one is Python membership operators. Python membership operators are used to test if the sequence is presented as an object. Operators are in, not in. Description of the in is return true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object x in y. Not in returns the value if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Example, if an example here we check the whether the value of x is equal to y and y value of y is equal to 8 is available in the list or not by using not in operator in and not in operators. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. List bracket 1 2 3 4 5 bracket close double quotations. If x is in the list, print double quotations line 1 x is a value in the given list, else print line is x is not value available in the given list. If y brackets in the list, print line 2 y is not available in the given list, else print line 2 y is available in the given list. Thank you for this.